How are you doing? I'm Martin from Gardens for Life and Birdland Homestead. In this quick video I'm just going to give you a couple of tips on how you can save watering when you put your seeds in your trays. So tip number one is to simply put down your seeds, put them in there and water them one time, and you can put a piece of cardboard on top. And that will actually help to conserve moisture, especially if you're gone for a few days and you don't have time to water it. But as soon as you see them sprouting underneath, you're going to check them every day. You need to take the cardboard away, and then you're going to get something like that about a week later. So the second way you can save yourself watering is to simply stack your trays, which also helps with not only to conserve the moisture in the tray and to protect them somewhat from the rodents, but also it'll actually help save a lot of space. So you can stack them, but of course as soon as they sprout, you got to be ready to actually separate them and put them out. And this is actually rhubarb, as it happens, and it's going to turn into something like this after a few weeks. So you got to make sure that you spread them out, of course. You cannot leave them stacked like that when after they sprout they need sunlight. Here's another quick bonus tip. So you can also use trays underneath your seed trays. You can use trays as well to conserve water, but make sure that your table is level, and then all the water is going to be evenly spread out and it's going to soak in from the bottom of the trays. So that, I found that's a good way to both preserve water but also to stop the water from going down on the ground and actually making the ground wet or moist for the slugs to come in. So that way you can rest assured that you have as few slugs in here as you possibly can. So I find I have an awful lot less slug pressure in the greenhouse here, especially with the young seedlings around on the tables, by keeping them up off the ground, but also by keeping the ground dry here in the greenhouse. So that gives the slugs less of a chance of coming in. Of course they always find another way. Slugs are like water, you can't stop them, you can only redirect them. The slugs always find another way, and they simply climb on the inside of the plastic when there's condensation on it in the evening time. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you the next time. I hope that little video helped you. By the way, we have a couple of spots left for our chicken keeping workshop this Friday. If you're interested, go to our website and sign up. And don't forget, this weekend, this Sunday, is our Homesteaders of Ireland swap meet in Roscommon. Even if you don't have anything to swap for, you're very welcome to come along anyway and have a chat and do a bit of networking. There'll be a lot of people there from around the country, and we are looking forward to seeing lots of you there. And if you want to see videos of previous events, take a look at our website. You alright? You're a good attaboy, aren't you? Not you, Nina. You too, you too.